Hello and welcome. Today we will look at the MiTower and briefly discuss its larger sister product, the MiTower Plus. First, let's start with the MiTower, which has a one-person, quick design build. It's robust, easily transportable and comes in a self-contained compact unit. When collapsed, the entire tower sits inside a trolley with a set of lockable caster wheels on the bottom, making it easy to manoeuvre and then lock securely in place when needed. The trolley is 132 by 78 centimetres, fits through most double doors and can be transported in the back of a large van or truck. When it comes to erecting the tower, the whole thing is designed to be built and dismantled by one person, making it an easy and safe choice when working on your own at height. With a bit of practice, this build can be done in as little as 10 minutes. Once erected, the MiTower provides a working height of up to 6 metres and has a safe working load of up to 150 kilograms. The platform is 102 by 61 centimetres and at full height sits 4 metres above ground level. At the tower's base there are 4 adjustable legs and casters that help keep it stable. You will also notice a wind lock catch that helps prevent the tower from rocking and tipping over in windy conditions. At full extension, the legs at the base create a 280 centimetre by 240 centimetre footprint. The MiTower Plus is a 2-person build and is equally robust and transportable. This larger version has a 162 by 72 centimetre platform and telescopic outriggers that extend across the unit's footprint, which is approximately 390 centimetres by 310 centimetres. This helps provide an extra level of stability. With 2 working platforms and a 15-minute build time, it's an efficient and safe way for multiple people to work at height. We advise you to wear full safety equipment when using any of our access products. This includes a hard hat, gloves and steel toe cap boots. Also, ensure you do not have any loose items or full pockets just in case something falls out. You should only use the equipment if you have been trained and are comfortable doing so, as working at height can be dangerous. To see our full range of access equipment and for more information on the MiTower range and to find suitable training courses, visit hss.com today.